Welcome back, guys. Today I wanted to give a big shout out to Dzees for giving us this camera to review and test. So guys, this camera is a battery operated camera. It's wireless that connects to your Wi-Fi, and it's great for security both indoor and outdoor. So let's take a look at the packaging and the camera itself and see how everything works. Okay guys, so let's get into the unboxing and then I'll talk about the camera specs after. So the camera is going to come in this box right here, the smart security camera, and you have the model on the bottom right, the Cg6. Now it's branded all over the box, and on the back what's nice is you have the QR code that's going to take you to the application to download that allows you to manage and control your notifications and give you the live view and recording. Now in the box, you're also going to get the charging cable, which is a USB to USB-C. And I'll show you where this plugs into the camera in a second. You're going to get this IC warning card. You're going to get the wireless camera quick start guide. You're going to get this little packet with some screws and anchors. And inside this bag, you're also going to get the key that you need in case you want to reset the camera. Then you're going to get the little mount with a swivel neck. And you're going to get the camera itself. So just before we take a look at the camera, guys, I want to show you this quick start guide because I thought this was pretty unique. So as you open it, take a look at this. I know I'm going pretty fast, but it has color illustrations, it has pictures and step-by-step instructions on how to set it up. And one thing I found very useful is, in case you want it in a different language, there's actually QR codes right on this page here. So you can have the manual in English, Dutch, French, Italian, or Spanish. Now we can take a quick look at this camera. So we got the motion sensor down here. We have the LED lights. And as we rotate it around, we have the branding, which I believe is on both sides. You can see that there. Then on the back, you're going to have a quarter mount screw here, and you're also going to have another one at the bottom. So that's really nice in case you want to either mount it on the wall from the back, or if you're okay with mounting it at the bottom, like standing it on a table or something where you can move it around. At the very bottom, you have like this little rubberized flap. And once you open this flap, this is where you're going to find the USB connection to charge. You're going to find a micro SD card here in case you want to record your videos. And then you're also going to have that little hole, which is where you use that little key pin in case you want to reset the camera. And then this little toggle right here, that's your power on and off. Okay guys, so now some of the specs for the camera. So this does live view and records in 1080p. The battery itself on the camera, once you charge it fully, it lasts you for a really long time. I don't think I've charged it once since I've received it. And I can say that it's still pretty full, so this camera is really, really good. And on top of that, guys, I just wanted to mention the app that this comes with. You're able to actually purchase this camera in bundles or pairs where it has multiple cameras. There are different versions of this camera that come with, for example, a solar panel that you can attach to the camera as well for power. And in the app, I just want to mention you can have multiple cameras attached, and they have what's called smart AI recognition with behavior analysis. So what that is the camera can actually detect human faces. It can detect if it's a pet, a vehicle, or even deliveries of packages at the door. And it'll notify you on the application what type of video it actually is. So just very quickly, I want to show you guys the Dzees website because I think they did a great job on here, and it shows the selection of products that they actually have. So you'll see here they have like rotating security cameras, they have solar cameras with the solar panels, they have Wi-Fi cameras, and they have doorbells. And now they even have bird feeders that come with integrated cameras inside that have like AI detection for the type of birds and animals that come to the feeder, which is really cool. But guys, if you have a chance, come online, take a look, and as you can see, a lot of the items are on sale or have discounts on them at this time.
But they've done a really great job. If you're looking at one of their plans, which I'll discuss a little bit further on, they do have breakdowns of them here in the website. So come take a look, see if there's anything that interests you guys. Take a look at their hot deals because they do have a lot of combos. And check all their options and see which one is best suited for your needs. So the camera works well out of the box, and it does offer you video history up to 3 days and up to 0.5 gigabytes without purchasing any subscription. Now you won't get the AI recognition or the customizable activity zones, and video duration you only get 10, 15, or 20 seconds. There is options to purchase 3 different plans, a basic, a plus, and a pro. They all come with a 1 month or 12-month subscription. The difference is the basic will give you 15 days recording history and up to 3 gigabyte cloud storage. The plus will give you 30-day recording history plus up to 5 gigabytes of cloud storage. And the pro is going to give you 60 days of recording history and up to 10 gigabytes of storage. And like I said, all 3 of those are going to come with the AI recognition and customizable activity zones. Definitely something you guys want to look into if you want to maximize the capabilities of this camera.
Okay guys, so my final thoughts in terms of quality. It's made really well. I don't see any concerns with this. It feels nice, it feels heavy, strong, just as good as any competitors' cameras out there. In terms of cost, this has a very reasonable price point, and if you go online right now at the time of this recording, they do have some specials going on, and there are some discounts on these cameras. And I'm going to say that they did a very good job with this camera. I think for the price point and the quality of the camera, what you're getting for it in terms of the video and the product itself, they did an excellent job with this camera, guys. Can't go wrong. So if you've learned anything and you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and we'll see you guys on the next one.